I thought I would just take a second to talk about the nuances of the spring cleanup situation. One of those is bulbs coming up. So if you look in here, I've got little hyacinth bulbs coming up. You can't even see the ones in here. If I don't remove these little, bits of mint and catmint, which by the way is a great combination, I won't see those, or they won't be able to come up. So I think, you just have to kind of navigate the different circumstances that make sense in your garden and for you, and based on where you live and what kind of debris you might have around your yard. There's so many little nuances to this. This is a really small space, and if I did chop and drop, where you cut the little bits and leave them right there around the base of the plant, I wouldn't be able to see the bulbs. So again, you have to just exercise judgment based on your own situation. I will do a lot of chop and drop elsewhere where I don't have little bulbs coming up, but I just want to encourage you to kind of think it through, figure out the best approach for yourself in your situation.